Riwruok mar mond liete mankod tuo mar Ayaki e kaunti ma Migori ochako grup mar puonjo jopiny ewi miyo yawago mankod tuo mar Ayaki luor kaachiel gi nyisogi hera. Direkta mar grupno Ashley Obama ne owacho ni gisefwenyo midhiero ma mond liete mankod tuo mar Ayaki kalo e kinde ma chuogi ong'ielo orengo. Ma e kaka ne oloso.
Everybody here knows his or her status. This group has changed the life of members within within Central Circle. We have changed the life of our children. We have changed so many people, the lives of so many people in Central Circle. This group, we made it so that we can support the members within our community, because members of us, we are stigma. This group, the way we are, we know, I've already said that we know our status, as in we are stigma, all of us here. So we are not afraid to say that, because if we are afraid to say this, you cannot support or assist who is next to you. That is why we start this our group.
We have a problem. It is good you've identified the problem and you've decided to come together, right? So coming together, that one is a plus for you. Can you come together? It is the first thing that is very, very important. Because, for example, you find that maybe there is one of you is unwell, but since you're not together, this person will just suffer and succumb to the problem, right? But now if you are together, if somebody is unwell, somebody just make a call. So and so, you're next to so and so. Can you go and check on this lady, right? So that is very, very important. Now another thing, we appreciate your strength. Very few people will come out and say that now this is what we are suffering from and this is our problem and we are living with it. You see? So you people, you are wonderful and fearfully made by God.
During those days, it was a stigma, a lot of stigma they had to come out in the open and say that I'm HIV positive. It wasn't really easy, but because of sharing here and there, they were able to come up as a team. And I'm really happy to see many of them here who were there while I was still a child, and still they are here going strong because of what they bring together. And we are also doing this, sharing with other Kenyans wherever they are. It's good to know your health early in advance. Then after you knowing your health early in advance, it will help you. You will live like any other normal person. It's not easy to tell that this person is positive and this one is healthy. So if we do such, and then with the project which they are doing here, which all of them are empowered,
is that what I see in front of me is a team, because you all work together. And what you've been doing is taking your weakness, if I can call it a weakness, but you've made a strength out of it, all together. I'm honored to be here, and I'm honored to see like you are smiling more than I do, where I should be the strong one.